Are you tired of spending countless hours every week planning, shopping, cooking, and cleaning up after meals? Have you considered using a meal prep service? Here's why investing in meal prep can have a positive return on investment. First, you can save time. According to research, the average person spends 30 minutes to an hour each week driving to the grocery store, shopping for food, cooking, and cleaning up after meals. You can remove these tasks from your daily routine and free up your valuable time. Next, you can save money. Meal prep services can also save you money by eliminating unnecessary trips to the store. You can save $45 on gas and reduce impulse buying. Plus, with a pre-planned menu, you can reduce food spoilage and waste. Next, you can help the environment. Investing in a meal prep service can positively impact the environment. By reducing the carbon footprint associated with food production and decreasing waste and plastic usage, you can make a positive contribution on the planet. Fourth, you can make money. You can potentially increase your income by dedicating your saved time to making money. Research suggests that individuals can see an increase in yearly pay due to higher efficiency and cognitive function. This results in better decision making and a higher value on a daily basis. Fifth, you can relieve stress. With more time available, you can prioritize self-care and reduce stress. By freeing up time for sleep, lunch breaks, and quality time with loved ones, you can improve your overall well-being. And finally, you can achieve better health. Investing in meal prep can also positively impact your physical health. With a pre-planned menu, you can make healthier food choices, leading to higher self-confidence, self-esteem, better mood, more energy, and reduced anxiety. Investing in a meal prep service is a smart decision that can save you time and money, help the environment, improve your physical health, and even increase your earning potential. Track and measure how Meal Prep Sunday can help you achieve better success and share benefits with others.